Missy can take a picture. Come here.
Now you can help it.
Come on here. Come on. Good girl.
She's a crazy pup.
Are you a pygmy? Are you a pygmy, huh? Whoa, whoa. Pygmy can jump.
Pygmy can fly.
Pygmy can fly. Come on. Where's the Pygmy? Are you silly? Give me the baby. Give me the baby. Here. Drop it. Sit. Go. Are you getting some good shots?
No, I'm taping it.
Oh, good.
Hey.
Hi, little girl. You know what I gotta do? I gotta get
Thing's a beast.
an Instamatic camera so that I can. Lena, say hi, Aunt Missy. Here, go say hi, Aunt Missy. Come here. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Oh, show Aunt Missy how cute you are. Come on. Get over here. Can you get any of her head?
Hey, come here.
Come on, come on. Oh, that's a good girl. Yes. Oh my God, so cute. Are you a Pygmy? Huh? Are you cute? Are you cute? What you doing? You're drooling. Come on. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Come on. Are you a bee? Come over here. Any chance you can get some pictures now, or?